More logistical nightmares have led us to being completely late with this unboxing, but it's better late than never. This is the Amazon Fire HD 8, 32 gigabytes, and to show you guys it is the 2020 model, you will see right there 2020. This is an 8-inch display, quad-core processor, 2 gigs of RAM, Wi-Fi, front cameras, and Dolby Atmos. It also has a micro SD card slot as well. We're going to open up this for the first time on camera. We have never seen this device. I've seen some reviews of it. I've seen this device in stores, but we've never actually had it in studio. Amazon was nice enough to send us this, so we're going to do our best to unbox and review it. This is the blue model. You can see right there. We're just gonna open this up, put this off to the side, and we will show the rest of the box first. Now, you never know. We might even do a giveaway on this device in the coming weeks. We don't know. We'll have to just kind of wait and see. So if you open up the little container here, you get the hello bonjour, as this was sent to us to our Canadian office. So you can see there is your user manual. If you lose your user manual, you can refer to this. Pause the video at any time if you want to read that. You have your wall port that will fit Canada, America, Japan, and a few other select countries. Doesn't work in every market, just a few. You will need an adapter if you are in Europe or UK or whatever. So you have the USB on that side. And you have important information. We're not going to flip through every single page of that. And here is your USB-C. Yes, this is running USB-C, which is very nice to finally have on a device. This is it. It is extremely reflective, obviously because it is, well, glass. So we'll just flip it over to the back for now. It's just better for the shot. You can see it's the typical kind of rough sandpaper back they've been using for quite a while now with the Amazon logo. The Amazon logo, Amazon, has since been removed for a couple generations now, so it's just the piano embossed smile camera on the back, and everything happens up top here. You have your volume up and down, your power button, your microphone, USB-C, and your headphone jack. And you can see that your SD card is on the bottom there, and your 2 speakers up top. This device is meant to be held kind of landscape oriented because it is more for multimedia, and it's a lot bigger than their conventional 7 inches. So if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, let us know. But for now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Fire 8 by Amazon. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.